In this video, I'm going to show you how you can print Google Calendar with your event details with all of the things that you need to do. So once you're on Google Calendar, you need to understand that you can view it by day, you can view it by week, so we'll show you weekly to do here. You can view it by month, and then you can scroll back and forth through the months here. So I'm just going to print out my September month, but you can also print out your weeks and you can see your events like this. So you can see here is my schedule. So let me just print this out, I guess. So what we can do, we can go ahead and choose exactly how we want to view this. So again, year, month, week, day, whatever. You can then right click, and once you've right clicked, you want to go to print, and that will then open up this window. And here what you can do is you can go ahead and customize your pages here. So if you go to layout, you can choose, do you want portrait or landscape? So there we go. I think it looks a lot better on landscape because it's how you would view it on your computer. And you can see it doesn't cut anything off. We can get rid of this page anyway because there's nothing on here. So here is our schedule. You can even go to pages, customized, just page 1, and that will remove the other one. And then we can go ahead and click save. And then you can go to your destination. And if you've got a printer connected, you choose that. I don't have a printer connected, so I can click save as PDF and click save, or you can click print, and that is how you can print it off. I hope that helped.